bin Mazlan and my metric number is B0918103004. I will present and explain you about my slide. For slide 2, University Technical Malaysia Melaka UTM or Technical University of Malaysia Melaka is a public university located in Durian Tunggal, Alor Gajah, Melaka, Malaysia. UTM provides various sophisticated facilities such as lecture halls, high-tech laboratories, robotic and automatic on lab, high voltage lab, thermodynamic and technology lab, instrumentation lab, multimedia lab, smart lab, language lab, chemistry lab, and state-of-the-art advanced manufacturing center. Maintenance is the method of holding an object in an operational state by either avoiding a transition to a failed state or restoring it after failure to an operation state. The main goal of the maintenance scheme, therefore, is to prolong the operation of the equipment or system by not allowing it to deteriorate. The types of maintenance that are used for this building service are preventive and corrective maintenance. Maintenance of buildings involves cleaning common areas, critically removing garbage, and fixing damaged objects. Inspection, repair, and maintenance of electrical equipment, heating and air conditioning systems, and other utility services may be involved. Building maintenance also applies to the outside property in some situations and involves sprinkler control, lawn care, and management of the landscape. To avoid the danger of your buildings can effectively be minimized by a good preventive maintenance plan. Facilities managers have the power to prevent injuries and reduce employees' days spent away from work. Preventive maintenance can be used to support safety and security of equipment for all occupants of a facility. Keep occupants safe by conducting recurring maintenance and inspections on dangerous machinery. Do the same with security cameras, door locks, fire extinguishers, emergency exit signs, and any other asset that safeguards people from harm. It can be costly to cover electric maintenance. When an asset breaks down suddenly, facility managers face heavy costs, including costs to diagnose the problem, repair parts, and eventually fix the issue. The probability of these threats can be significantly lowered by preventive maintenance. Life cycle cost is a tool for calculating the overall cost of ownership of facilities. All the costs of acquiring, owning, and disposing a building or construction system are taken into account. Initial costs may include the cost of capital expenditure of the purchase, development, or rehabilitation of land and for the facilities required to run the facility. In the initial cost estimate, land acquisition costs need to be included if they vary between design alternatives. For preliminary economic evaluations of alternative buildings designs or systems, detailed construction cost estimates are not sufficient. Typically, such forecasts are not available until the design is very advanced and the opportunity has been lost for cost-reducing design changes. The cost of energy and water is typically measured for entire building rather than for individual building systems or components. It is important to make assumptions about user profiles, occupancy rates, and schedules, all of which have an effect on energy consumption. It is also more difficult to estimate maintenance and repair costs than other construction expenses. Operating schedules and maintenance requirements differ from building to building, even for buildings of the same design and age. There is considerable variance in this cost. Therefore, when calculating these expenditures, it is particularly important to use engineering judgment. For the discussion, the advantage of preventive maintenance are that you are confident that both the system and the operators can continue to run your equipment under secure conditions. Preventive maintenance ensures optimum working conditions and extend the equipment's life cycle. A preventive maintenance schedule may cause a small output hindrance, but there is nothing compared to the actual downtime caused by a breakdown. Procedures for preventive maintenance require less time than repairs and replacements for emergencies. For the conclusion, preventive maintenance can be seen by facility managers who run a reactive maintenance based program as an operating expense that is difficult to justify at first. Preventive maintenance is the primary focus of the most effective maintenance strategies. Your department will realize big cost savings and greater asset efficiency by keeping ahead on maintenance and repair. Keep updated on the new techniques for preventive maintenance. This detailed resource demonstrates how to compile and update asset data, how to record audits, and also inspections of facilities, and how to budget the new preventive maintenance program efficiently. That's all from my side.